Welcome to Buy, Hold, Sell. My name's Matthew Kidman. Today we've got Jeremy Bendeich from Avoca and Simon Shields from Monash Investors, and we're talking technology. A lot of money around the world is chasing good technology and that word disruptors. Simon, start with you. Oz Forex currency trader. Buy, hold or sell?
Sell. I think there's a lot of warning signs around Oz Forex. It wasn't just that the managing director left shortly after the IPO. Western Union's pulled out, was thinking about taking the company over, pulled out of its due diligence. So that's enough of a flashing bell for me. That's a sell.
Any more love for Oz Forex from you, Jeremy?
Not a lot of love from me either. Sell. I had an interesting conversation with a very good tech entrepreneur who said that whenever you change your website name and it destroys all your links. So someone maybe there at Oz Forex has created a real headwind for this business in combination with a lot of other issues that have arisen post-IPO. That's a big warning sign.
All right. Now, building software, global, big PE, Aconex, buy, hold or sell?
Massive PE. We've owned this one. We've still got a buy on it. It's getting right up there. And then these things trade in the States at 6 to 8 times max sales for a SaaS business. But you've got to have 50 to 30% sales growth for the next 2 or 3 years. They're just at that level. The recent acquisition certainly helped them. It's re-rated since then. I'd be looking to lighten this position above $7.
So Jeremy's struggling with this stock. He wants to own it. Aconex, buy, hold or sell?
I think it's at best a hold, I've got to say. I think the PE is very high. The growth is captured in that PE. I think it's time really to lighten off on the stock.
All right, sports software, monitoring players. Catapult sounds more like the share price than the product. Yeah. Buy, hold or sell?
Well, Catapult's got a similar PE to Aconex. However, Catapult's got, if you like, more barriers around it. It's a little monopoly once it gets into each one of those competitions. It keeps the data itself. It's got quite strong pricing power down the track. It's still got a huge market to grow into, so I think it's a buy. Data
collection, it's everywhere at the moment, Jeremy. Catapult does a good job. Buy, hold or sell?
Big data, everyone likes it. I think it's a hold at 280 million market cap. There is quite a lot in there for the penetration and the end game that they're going to achieve. Do like the characteristics that Simon spoke about with the product. However, the valuation is, just looking like you'd want to wait just to see how things pan out. There'll be good momentum in terms of news announcements, but whether that's enough to keep ticking it along, that's the question given the starting price of the share.
Okay, everyone loves a good technology stock, something that's going to go up 3, 4, 5 times.
Yep.
Give us one. Give us your best.
3 or 4 times. That's a little bit ambitious,
okay,
but we've got we've got NextDC in the portfolio. We've had it for a long time. It's hitting its straps now, where it's starting to actually prove up that this is a beneficiary of all those trends that we're talking about: big data, the internet coalescing in one location, to transactions going through a central point. And NextDC is facilitating that in its data centers, and it's increasingly creating infrastructure like earnings stream within that environment. And so we see that over the next sort of 4 or 5 years, you'll get a big multiple re-rate and potentially a doubling of the share price.
Simon, you got something that might be special over the next few years in the technology space?
I sure do, Matthew. Emergence. It's really just about to start hitting its straps now. It's hit the sweet spot for the corporate bookmakers, providing a solution where the punters can take cash in and out very easily, instantaneously. But it's not just in Australia. It announced very recently its first large client in the UK. That client alone is bigger than the whole of the Australian market.
So it's had a good run the last few days on the back of that. Give us a price target down the track.
I think there's at least 100% left in this stock.
Technology, it's delivered a lot of returns lately, and there's still a lot of growth around.